Hello all. Indian Institute of Management Indore has released the IPMAT application forms online. You can fill out the IPMAT application form by March 27th. The exam will be conducted in a computer-based test mode. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the IPMAT application form. Let's get started. Visit the official website of IIM Indore, which is www.iimidr.ac.in. Hover on the Programs tab on the home page and then click on the Academic Programs tab and then click on the 5-year Integrated Program in Management link. Click on the Admissions tab and then click on the Online Registrations to get User ID link for new applicants. Read the instructions carefully and proceed to filling the IPMAT registration form. Fill in the IPMAT registration form with details such as name, date of birth, gender, category, mobile number, email address, etc. Fill the CAPTCHA code and click on the disclaimer checkbox. Then click on the Verify button. Check the details entered by you and click the checkbox against it if they are correct. Then click on Submit. Students must note that the details once entered cannot be changed or modified. You will receive the IPMAT application number and password on your registered mobile number. Now click on the Fill the Application Form button on the top right corner of the page to proceed on to filling the complete IPMAT application form. You will be redirected to a new web page where you will be required to fill the IPMAT application form with other relevant details such as your father's name, mother's name, address, etc. Now upload the scanned copies of your photograph and signatures in the prescribed format. Candidates will also be required to upload a scanned copy of the photo ID proof, which is also to be carried to the IPMAT exam center. Now click on the Save and Next. You will be redirected to a new page wherein you will need to fill in Class 10th and Class 12th academic details. Fill in the academic details and upload the mark sheets in PDF format. Once the details have been filled in, click on Save and Next. Now select the preferred test cities. You can choose up to 5 test cities. They also need to choose 2 preferred test cities for personal interview round. Now click on Save and Next. Finally, proceed on to paying the IPMAT application fee. Click on the Declaration checkbox and preview the application form. Candidates can check the completely filled IPMAT application form and pay the application fee online. After successful fee payment, take a printout of the fee payment receipt and IPMAT application form. This was all about IPMAT application process. All the best.